My name is Anita Harold, and I'm an aviation instructor here at ANSAT. This is the Aviation Maintenance program. It's a full-fledged A&P program, so the students can graduate with both their airframe and their power plant license, and that enables them to go to work for anybody in the field. This is usually a 2-year college degree that they can get at TPS for free of charge, and they can go straight to work after they graduate.
My name is Armando Ramirez, and I am a senior at ANSAT, and I attend the Aviation Maintenance program. So here at this school, we learn about how to fix planes so we can become aviation mechanics. And in turn, that means we can get a job right out of high school because of all the experience we gather here. So half the class we will spend in our classroom, where we learn from the book, and where our teacher is at the board explaining how everything works. And then we come to this room, the power plant room, where we will work on our engines or sometimes apply the knowledge that we've learned. So each year we're assigned into groups, and each group is given an engine, and we're supposed to take apart, inspect, clean, spray paint, and then put back together and run the engine. And the main purpose of this project isn't really to get it to run, it's more just to get used to what you're supposed to be doing as a mechanic. So like looking up for information, learning how to use tools, and figure out how to solve problems.
My name is Olivia Simi, and I am a junior here at ANSAT, and I'm in the airframe portion of this school. We get a lot of hands-on learning. Sometimes we come out here into the lab and we work on different labs, like the sheet metal project we had, or the heater lab. We identify components and read documents, basic stuff like that.
A great student is one that is excited about learning, comes in and asks questions. That's the big thing there, is they need to ask questions. A person that is interested in mechanical things and also has a big interest in aviation and wants to proceed in that profession.
So here at ANSAT, because it's a smaller school, everybody knows each other and it's a safer environment.
It's a nice environment with like-minded people who are here in the class with you.
I know all my classmates, I know what they're good at and what they're not good at, so I can ask them for help, and so there's some things I'm not good at and some things I am that I can help them with. And all the teachers are very understanding, and they also help all the kids succeed in their work. I plan to go to BGSU after I'm done with this school, and I plan to study airport management. I see myself working at either a corporate place or a big airline.
I'd like to continue my education. I want to go to university and further my learning, and then I want to work at Southwest. That is my dream job. And then hopefully work a couple years, be able to pay for flight lessons so I can get my private pilot's license. And then evolve further, so hopefully I can even maybe be a captain.
By the time they get finished with the program, they'll have completed a written, an oral, and a practical test for the general airframe and power plant. And once they complete all of those FAA tests, they'll have their license. So we're talking about 18-year-olds that can graduate high school and go straight into the workforce. I would say to somebody that is considering this program that it is an awesome program.
It's a great school. If you think you'd be interested, just try it out.
Go for it, because this is a great experience. This is a place where you can be yourself. It's really worth it in the end. You'll find that you'll get a great job.
You got nothing to lose, and it's a very fun place here, a very interactive environment, and it's one of the best decisions I ever made.
And people are paying $47,000 up to $50,000 for the same training that these high school students are getting for free. There's many different avenues in aviation maintenance. It's not just being a mechanic and working hands-on on an aircraft. It can be doing bookwork, being in quality control. It can be many different areas. That license just opens up a whole world of opportunity.